Nature is more than just the backdrop to our lives, it's the essence of our existence. It provides us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Yet, in the rush of modern life, we often forget just how vital it is to cherish and protect it. Take water, for example. Every drop is a lifeline, not just for humans, but for countless species. Rivers, lakes, and oceans are the arteries of our planet, sustaining ecosystems that form the foundation of life. Forests and trees do more than just offer shade. They act as Earth's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They also provide a home for millions of creatures and help regulate our planet's climate. Even the tiniest creatures play a huge role. Pollinators like bees and butterflies ensure that plants reproduce, allowing fruits and vegetables to reach our plates. Without them, our world would struggle to survive. Spending time in nature isn't just good for the planet, it's good for us. Studies show that being in nature reduces stress, boosts creativity, and improves overall health. It reminds us of the beauty of and simplicity of life. Nature is not just a resource, it's our greatest gift. By protecting it, we protect ourselves and all future generations. Let's cherish and nurture the beauty that surrounds us. Because when nature thrives, we thrive.